Imagine a typical blockchain project building a real app, like an on-chain identity system, a supply chain tracker, or a gaming platform. They start on a popular chain, and then reality hits. Fees spike during network congestion. Transactions slow down, and users are forced to wait. Finality isn't instant, so apps can't respond in real time. And when the app needs heavy data, teams are forced to push it off-chain into centralized servers, which defeats the whole point of decentralization. That's the real-world problem NCOG Earth Chain was built to solve. Hello, and welcome. NCOG Earth Chain, NEC, a blockchain built to balance sustainability, scalability, and security. First, NCOG is not just another blockchain. Our mission is simple but powerful: to build a safe, high-performance decentralized network that actively helps the environment. And here's the most unique part. Every few transactions on NCOG plants a tree. Yes, transactions translate into trees planted through our forest protocol. The more people use the chain, the more trees get planted, meaning NCOG is designed to be carbon negative from day one. Now let's talk performance, because being green is amazing, but the chain also needs to be fast. Most blockchains work like a single straight line. Blocks are added one after another. That creates waiting, congestion, and high fees. NCOG uses a DAG-based consensus, meaning many validators can create event blocks in parallel, like multiple branches growing at the same time. But then comes the big question. If everyone is creating blocks at once, how do we agree on the final order? That's where our milestone events come in. Clotho and Atropos. Think of Clotho as a strong checkpoint, and Atropos as final confirmation. Once an Atropos is formed, transactions are final, typically in about 1 to 2 seconds. Now let's talk security, because speed means nothing if security is weak. Traditional blockchains rely on older cryptography, like ECDSA, and in the future, advanced quantum computers could threaten it. That's why NCOG is built with post-quantum cryptography by default, designed to stay secure not just today, but against the next generation of threats. Next, wallets. NCOG doesn't treat a wallet as just a place to store money. We built a dual wallet system. An asset wallet for coins, tokens, smart contracts, and staking. A data wallet for your personal data, files, and identity, encrypted and controlled by you. So if an app wants your data, it can't just take it. It must request permission, and you decide, allow or deny. This is how Web3 should be. You own your money, and you own your data. Now, one of the biggest problems in blockchain is data. Most chains aren't built for heavy data applications, so projects end up using off-chain databases, which reintroduces centralization. That's why NCOG includes a built-in decentralized database, DDB, a scalable on-chain data layer designed for real applications like supply chain tracking, identity systems, enterprise records, and secure communication apps. So in one line, NCOG Earth Chain is fast, future secure, and planet positive. It's not blockchain for hype, it's blockchain for real-world scale and real-world impact. If you're a developer, enterprise, or investor, join the ecosystem. Read the white paper, explore the tech, and build with us. Because with NCOG, every transaction doesn't just move value, it grows a forest.